wait. Okay, you live for now. No, please, oh, sorry, please, no, sorry, it was a joke. Kailh silent box browns. Are they any good? Kailh, or Kailh's Box Silent series, both the linear pink and brown tactile, is Kailh's attempt at taking their innovative box switch series and making them shut up. It dawned on me very quickly when I saw these that I wouldn't be able to use my normal way of evaluating stem wobble because round stems, box switch, round stems, box switch, rounds. You couldn't have picked a more confusing. Okay, no, I'm being dumb. Right, the box switches are called box switches not because of the stem, which you would think, but you know, I don't care. It's because of the box compartment in which their contact leaves are held in. The stem in these switches don't actually touch the contact. They push against the little green nub, which in turn pushes against the contact leaves. You have your circuit completed, key press, yada 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 yada. That box compartment also makes them IP56 waterproof and dustproof, which is not a free pass to eat your Cheetos over them. Don't do that. That being said, there was a surprising amount of stem wobble in the north, northeast, east, south, all the directions. All the housing wobble, on the other hand, is very minimal. And that's a very good thing, because good luck filming your box switches. As for smoothness, oh dear. The tactile bump, right, so pressing down and feeling that tactile bump and going over it is notably rougher compared to other tactile bumps, like that on the Zelia's V2s or the Moyu Blacks. It's really just not smooth. Like, I didn't call it scratchy, but it feels rough. Which was kind of weird to me, because the normal box switches are fairly smooth. Maybe it was like something to do with the round stem being in contact with the housing more often, or I really don't know. I also switched the bottom housing of the silent box brown with a box jade and it felt the same. All of this was kind of a shame because I love the tactility characteristics of this switch. Unlike the no pre-travel and huge big ass peak tactility of the Zelios, the silent box browns have a little bit of pre-travel, then the tactile bump. Their peak tactility is medium, maybe somewhere in the 50 to 60 gram range, and then you're done. You know, you're not sucked in by the tactility. Like the rest of these new age tactiles that force you to bottom out against your will. No. You have all of this lovely linear travel after the tactile bump. It doesn't force you to bottom out, right? You can stop just when you want to. And I love that. And if you do decide to bottom out, it is fairly softish feeling. It's not like your £5 office keyboard rubber dome like mush, but it's soft. And for me, it kind of adds to the unrefined feeling. It kind of feels like you're pressing on a clump of fabric or paper. That's thanks to the rubber dampening pads protruding out of the stem rails. Their purpose is to cushion the bottom out and the topping out of the key press, like so. The softer material absorbs the impact, so in theory you should get a quieter switch. Their sound is kind of strange. There are the usual culprits of spring crunch on the bottom out and spring ping on the way up, but you don't really hear it in normal use. And it can be Krytoxed away fairly easily. The thing I want to talk about is the sound, or their lack of, but not really. The first silent switches I used already told me that I don't like the sound of silent switches. I need a big sound. The overall volume of these switches, compared to non-silent switches and especially clickies, is reduced. If I try to describe it, the box silent browns give off an autumnal thud. I don't know why, but for some reason the sound reminds me of walking through a pile of leaves. It has that same essence. And after using them for a month, I still don't like the sound, but everyone around me hates me a little bit less, so So, silent box browns. What of them? Well, the tactile event feels rough, the bottom out is soft and kind of unrefined, but the tactility profile is a breath of fresh air compared to all of the stuff that's kind of flooding the market right now. And they're quieter. Not that quiet as far as silent switches go, but they're quieter. And so for that reason, I will continue to use them as a nighttime switch, and my family will continue to love me, yay. If you didn't completely hate this video, why not consider subscribing to the Glarses channel, and hitting that little bell notification so you can know when I upload, which is every 4 weeks. All the keyboards and keycaps and switches and stuff I use in this video are linked in the description. And yeah, thanks. No, wait, no, that's not what I say. I say, hey, thanks. Bye.